Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to update BIOS of the Asus motherboard using Easy Update. For Asus motherboards, they have a special feature named 𝗦𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗏 and an application named 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏, through which you can easily update a motherboard's BIOS. For updating your BIOS, make sure that the current BIOS version is outdated. If you have recently updated your BIOS, you can ignore this update. To know the BIOS version, type in the search box System Information and open it. This is our current BIOS version and I already updated the BIOS. Okay, now open your web browser and visit asus.com. Type the model number of your Asus motherboard into the search box. After that, hit enter on your keyboard. Choose your motherboard from the list. Then click on Support. Click on Driver and Utility. Choose your operating system and download Asus Easy Update. If you could not find the Easy Update in the list, switch to the Windows 10 or 11. Now download the Asus Easy Update software. After that, click on BIOS and Firmware and download the latest BIOS. Once downloaded, extract them. To extract, you can use the 𝗦𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗏𝗃 tool. After extracting, install the 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏 tool. Once installation has been done, this will ask you to reboot your system. Click on Yes to restart your system. After restarting, type in the search box 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏 and run it. Click on Easy Update from the left side panel. Now choose the BIOS image file. After that, click on Update button. Our computer will restart and automatically start updating the BIOS. Once the BIOS update is finished, your computer will restart automatically. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next time. Goodbye.